Hello friends, welcome back. This is CRAFTOLOGER treasure box number 41 and it's a very good video. You are going to love this. So MRP of this box is 2558, 2558 rupees, and it's a highly request video. Highly request because I don't have too much of stuff of same boxes, so I have find it out the things to post it earlier as soon as possible, क्योंकि इस वीडियो को बहुत टाइम लग जाता है, but on request I have shooted early. So in this video you are getting stencils. You are getting this 4x8 stencil, and this is the border stencil, the bigger one. This is 6x6 stencils you are seeing. And wait a minute, you are getting this stencil. This is 6x6, and this is mandala stencils. The size is 12x12 inch and it's in good quality. You can see it is also 12x12 inch. You can see the design. This is also 12x12 inch. You can see the design. Okay, and this is also 12x12 inch. You can see the design. I have only single pieces. मेरे पास इसके अलावा और pieces नहीं है. So if you are interested, please book and just send the video on WhatsApp. This is also 12x12 stencil, and this is 5x8. maybe maximum उससे बड़ा ही होगा. You can see the stencil, and this is size A4. I have used for the one time and the quality is so good, so amazing. So these MRP is 2558 rupees. So I am giving in 1000 free shipping. I have just single box with me. इसके बाद सेम बॉक्स नहीं बन पाएगा, तो उसके लिए आई एम रियली सॉरी.